What's up everybody, my name is David, and today with Dave Travels and Food we're going to talk about the Takstar SGC-598. So why do I use the Takstar SGC-M98? Well, this is just a first look video. I'm not going to go into very detail in it, so I'm just going to do an unboxing about this Takstar microphone, which is this is the brand. Oh, okay, shit. Sorry. This is the microphone. Let's get right into it. This is the back. I don't know what's in it, but let's find out. It's got this Takstar writing, which is very cool. Oh, some documentations. This is probably the manual. What else? This is the I don't know, it's all in Chinese. And this is a product qualified certificate from Takstar. And there's an inspector and an inspection date. And it's from Guangdong Takstar Electronic Co. Ltd. Next we have the oh, the microphone itself. It's bigger than my usual. Oh, wait, you got parts here? Just look at this camera. Wait, I'm sorry. Look at this microphone. It's just so cool, and they even have this string wire, which is kind of neat. That's cool. And this is longer, and they have on and off button here. That's a 10 decibel, which is like noise reduction system something. And that's the I don't know what's that. Maybe I'm gonna learn it myself, and I'm gonna make a comprehensive review about this microphone. So how you turn it off is basically it's just like there, and it shows you green light. And that means that it has full battery, or the battery is in like 75, or it's not in critical low battery or something like that. And if you turn off, it shuts, the light shuts off. So there's nothing in the box yet. There's nothing. There's some pieces though. I don't know what's this. I believe that this is, oh, this is the mount holder for the. It's the same thing. It's the mount holder for the microphone. This is, oh, okay. This is, I didn't expect this to be in the microphone, because this is the first time I'm buying this prosumer kind of microphone, which is the Takstar SGC-598. I know I can buy the Rode or something, or Rode, as you can say it, or something like that. If you have a Rode, that's so cool. But this thing is actually, it's actually a beast though. I can't say it's a beast. I mean in terms of quality, but in terms of build size, and that's so cool. That looks like a gun from the 1945s.
Now take a look at the automatic gun with the greatest speed of fire in the world. Firing 1,500 rounds a minute, the Tommy gun in Tommy's hands will rapidly run.
Poo poo poo. So yeah, that's it, I think, for the box. This is the back from the for the manual before. Microphone, top cover, some kind of Chinese manual stuff, which I don't understand. Another Chinese manual, but you have the English version. Like, I can flip it open, like right here. There's the English version. There you go. You can't see clearly that well, so I'm gonna. Hey everyone, my name is David from DaveTravelsandFood.com, and today I'm going to be making a review about a microphone. Hey guys, my name is David from DaveTravelsandFood.com, and today I'm making a video about a review of the microphone. And as I see from the video before, using the microphone for creating a much more better sound quality will make your video better, because it's going to make your sound quality, of course, better, and for your audience to hear you much more clearer. My microphone is a must, although if you don't have, or you are limited on budgets on microphones, you actually can rely on the camera's microphone. It's okay, but if you have like a decent amount of money which you are able to buy, and you are going to buy a microphone, I would suggest buying the Rode, or also the I forgot the name, the Takstar SGC-598. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any advices, comments on the microphone and also my vlogging, you can comment on the comment section below. And if you want to support the channel and have more travel food videos with this new awesome microphone, please be sure to subscribe and also comment, so I can make some improvements that you guys would love to see on my vlogs. So thank you guys for watching the full vlog and the full unboxing, and I will see you guys on the next video. Cheerios!